Hello friends, today we are going to install PowerMTA with cPanel and LiteSpeed server. Right? My name is Vikas and I am going to provide a brief knowledge about how to install PowerMTA with Cyberpanel and LiteSpeed server. Right? So these are the requirements. We need a fresh VPS server, CentOS operating system. We will be using it, and domain name is required. This Putty and WinSCP, these are the two utility program it will be required, and PowerMTA setup is required, right? So these are the basic requirement to install PowerMTA and with Cyberpanel. So let's begin. We will come here. If you are already registered domain, okay, this has been completed. Now we will create a droplet on DigitalOcean, and to create a you need to go to your DigitalOcean or any VPS provider. You can go and we will click on distribution. We need 7.6. We will choose basic plan, $10 plan per month. We will use Singapore as a data center. Basically Singapore is most of the IP addresses are not blacklisted. We will create a password here, and I have already created a password, so we'll paste here, right? And here we will name our host name server.website name, and website name is this. We will use this website. Now we gonna okay, done here, and we will create a droplet. Now after droplet is created, okay, now after droplet is created, you need to check for IP is blacklisted or not. If IP is blacklisted and you install PowerMTA or other email marketing program, it will be not be beneficial, as the IP address is already blacklisted for the spam, right? So we, after creating a droplet, you have to use MXToolBox blacklist. It is free tool, you can use it. This IP address has been provided. We will check it on MXToolBox blacklist. Great. So this IP address is perfect for any use of email marketing or any website use purpose, right? So we will use this IP for our project, and now we'll copy this and we will open Putty. Simply Putty, we will open it and install Cyberpanel. So this is IP address, and click yes. Now password is root, and you need to copy your password. Okay, we are in our server. Now we need to just copy this and paste to install Cyberpanel. I will provide this in my description. You can directly copy and paste to install Cyberpanel. This is common code to install Cyberpanel in Ubuntu, Debian or any other operating system. Right now there will be some, it is asking to install Cyberpanel add-on or miscellaneous exit. I will press 1. Now install Cyberpanel with OpenLiteSpeed. Yes, we will choose 1 because it's free of cost. Do you want full? Yes, we need full. Do you want to set up remote MySQL? No, we will press no and enter to latest version. We will choose random password generated by this program. You want memcache it. Yes, it is not required right now, but if you are hosting a website, it will be used as a cache. Okay, we will press yes and yes. Now it will take around 20 minutes to install it. Complete software, complete Cyberpanel 20-25 minutes. So I am gonna pause this video and I will come back when installation is complete. Okay, nice. So our operating system has been installed, right? And Cyberpanel is installed on CentOS. So we will copy these 4 lines and we will paste in our control panel, this Notepad, right? So we have completed this. We have installed Cyberpanel. Now we will log into our Cyberpanel and we will create an email address and also add a website there before creating email address. So directly we will copy and paste this. Okay, so password is this one, username admin. We will sign in, maybe internet. Okay, so we are in Cyberpanel and this is very good panel, Cyberpanel. I really like this Cyberpanel. Now we will create a website, and default we will use, and we will add email, domain name. PHP we will use for, I'm not activating SSL. Okay, let's create SSL, but before SSL you have to in your domain register you need to add IP address for the domain name, otherwise you will not. Let's refresh it before going ahead. Okay, no. Okay, domain manage DNS, and we will add website name. Okay, let's add one more. Okay, CNAME, that is CNAME, right? One more record we will add, server dot, this one to IP address, this one. Let's add one more record. Sorry, MX record we will add. MX, you can also add MX record of board at this Gmail. We are adding this one. Okay, okay, so we have added. So now we can choose this SSL also. Okay, create a website. It will take some time, not more than 1 minute. Okay, very nice. So website successfully created. Now we will create an email address, create email. Okay, so we'll create an email address, info, and then this one we can use the password we already have. Okay, and we'll create this. Basically for SMTP, one email box has to be there. Okay, that's why we have created. Email ID has been created. Now we don't have to use this. Okay, we can close it. Okay, now we will go to our this has been created, right? So now we will install this PowerMTA. Okay, so to install the PowerMTA we have to log into our server, right? To log into our server we need IP address, root username and root and password. Okay, and password is this one, right? Click yes. In our server of WinSCP, now we will upload this file PowerMTA-5.0b1.rpm to our server. It will take some time, totally depend upon your internet speed. So let's wait. Okay, nice. The PowerMTA file has been uploaded to our server. Now we will go to our Putty and we will run a command. We will run a command. We will run this command. You can find this command in description below. Let's check. Okay, this file is already there, so we will continue this. It will not take more than 20 seconds to complete the installation. Okay, it has been installed. Now we have to copy two files and one license file. So for that we will use this utility program, and dispatch file we will go to USR and sbin, and we will upload these two files here. Yes, we want to overwrite. Yes. Okay, so this will overwrite these two files. Very nice. It has been uploaded. Now we will go to our etc folder and etc folder we will go and go to PMTA. Okay, and we will upload this license file here. Very nice. Now most important point is here, we have to configure our PMTA. Okay, for that you need to edit this file. This is a default file. Okay, now I have already this DKIM file. I already have a config file, PMTA file, so I will tell you, and I will also provide link to download this file. Okay, so you need to check this domain name, it should be yours. Okay, so our domain name is this one, so we will copy this and we will update this. In 4 places it has been replaced. Okay, now this is the IP address. We need to replace this IP address with our own IP address, and this is a port number 25 for SMTP. Okay, so for this our IP address is this one. Copy this and you need to replace it with this. 3 places it has been replaced. Now close this. Let's check below. Okay, this server dot, please check if you are using some other name server host name, so update this part also with your host name, right? So this is a website name. Now this is important, we will not discuss here, but after in next video I will tell you that DKIM we need to update our DNS records with DKIM and uncomment this, right, for success delivery in inbox. Right now we will not complete this, and I think everything is fine. Okay, one thing I want to mention here, SMTP username and password, it is very important. You need to make changes here, right? uh, I will change here anything. Okay, and password anything, random password. You need to copy this because without this you will not be able to send uh, email. It is required. So SMTP will go below. This is our SMTP. We'll update this user and password is this, right? Okay, now uh, I think every complete, we have done complete configuration. I will copy this control and I will paste here. Okay, complete file has been, control S, we will check. Okay, done. So config file has been uploaded and modified. Now we need to check, we need to restart our PMTA. For restart we need to type PMTA restart. Okay, it is showing failed. Okay, one thing we need to check, because in Cyberpanel postfix has been installed, so maybe it is using our port number 25. Let's check. Service postfix status. Okay, we have typed wrong. It is active, so that's why PMTA was failed. So we need to disable this. Okay, we need to stop this. So service simple postfix and stop. It will be stop. And now service PMTA start. Okay, fine. Now PMTA has been started and it is working fine on port number 25. Now let's check if our email is SMTP is working or not. So we will go to web, and there is a tool called smtp.net website. Here we will check our SMTP configuration, right? For that we need our IP address. We will need SMTP host, so it is our IP address. Let's provide IP address here, and it is port 25 because in our configuration we have used port 25. We will use authentication. For that we have this SMTP username and password, right? It is done. Now email from info @ our website name. And where we want to send that. Let's check on this. Okay, so let's send. Mail successfully sent. Let's check. It will be available in spam only because we have not used any DKIM SPF records here. So we are getting our email. SMTP is working fine, PMTA is working fine. You can check. SPF fail and this DMRC also failed. Okay, at present it's okay because we are not using any DKIM SPF records, right? In next video we will learn about how to enable DKIM SPF and DMRC records. Also in next video we will learn how to install Mailviz email marketing software with this machine only, and in next video we will learn about optimal settings of Mailviz so that you can use it for a large number of email, right? And it doesn't. We will also discuss about domain, this all the features which are available in Mailviz, right? Thank you friends, please subscribe to the channel, and if you are having any issues problem, please comment. I will help you out, and I will also reply to all your comments. Okay, thank you friends.